Mi best friend. Mi best friend is my mother. The is conditional. With me and with trucks and other alone. I turn her arms about me. I don't have reserve. We share our wise her me with everything I need and the next method being the solution. To my problems, I am very grateful for the mother I have. I thank for her existence. When I was a child, my best friend was Liliana. The angst are wise shows interest in me. She wants the best for me and they love me as a friend. From as my friends, I think the person with the most existing live in me mother's. I admire her a love because the angst and happy live the comes about words and the Bible, the overcomes and the obstacles, the angst in life and the is a very strong person.